to our sister. Kwa hii we were blessed to call you our sister. Your love to us unconditionally through thick and thin. You shared our joy and sorrows, our laughter and our tears. You have been an inspiration to us as we grew up through the years. And when we were little children, we laughed and played together. Then growing up, you stood for us through good and stormy weather. There is something that God gave us that's more than family. He placed the love for us, our sister, deep down in our hearts. Now that God chose your path early, watch over us with the angels in heaven, because we know that is your destination. Shine on your way, Koi. Shall miss you so much.
Thank you very much.